Okay, Holden Astra battery location. This is a 2017 model and we're in the boot. You've got to pull out all your polystyrene spare wheel and everything, pull off your cover, and then down in the front of the boot space here is where you will find your battery in a 2017 Holden Astra. Okay, to swap it out you want to take your negative terminal off first and then your positive. Just 10mm nuts just to loosen those, lift them off. You've got a clamp down here with a 13mm, just need to loosen that off, slide that back, and then the battery is going to slide this way to release the hook on this side, and then lift out. And you just want to change your breather over to your new battery here too, your breather pipe. So pull that out the side of the old battery, just pulls out like that, and then put it into your new battery. Then your clamp, slide it back into place, tighten it up, and then you're going to go positive on first and then negative. So just when you reconnect that last connection, supposed to wear safety glasses or something, you'll get a little bit of a spark, but just for safety reasons best to keep your eyes covered.
Okay, I hope that has helped you out today. Don't forget to click the like button and also click the subscribe while you're there. We've got a bunch of diagnostic solutions and tips and tricks for professional mechanics like ourselves, and also for the serious DIYers at home. So click that subscribe and the bell so you get notified, and we will see you in the next video.